The problem statement in question 9 says, in parallelogram ABCD in the figure 8.20 that you see here, 2 points P and Q are taken on the diagonal BD such that DP is equal to BQ. So P and Q are 2 points on the diagonal BD such that DP, this segment, is equal to BQ, which is this segment here. And now we have to show a bunch of things. So let's start with the first part. In the first part, we have to show that triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. So let me highlight these two triangles for you. So triangle APD is this triangle APD that you see here, APD, and triangle CQB is CQB, this triangle. So we have to show that these two triangles are congruent. So let's compare the parts of these two triangles. So in triangle APD and triangle CQB, what parts are equal? So well, AD is equal to CB because these two segments are opposite sides of parallelogram ABCD. So let's write this. AD is equal to CB, opposite sides of parallelogram, so they must be equal. Okay. Now also DP, this side segment, is equal to BQ. This is already given to us. So DP is equal to BQ, and this is something that's given. And the third pair that is equal is this angle pair ADP, angle ADP, and angle CBQ, because these two angles are alternate interior angles on the parallels AD and BC and the transversal BD, the diagonal BD. So we can write angle ADP is equal to angle CBQ, as these angles are alternate interior angles. So from this set of equalities, we can conclude that the two triangles are congruent, and because the equal parts are two side pairs and an included angle pair, we can apply the SAS congruence criterion. So we have triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB by the SAS congruence criterion. So this proves the first part, and now we go to the second part. In the second part, we have to show simply that AP is equal to CQ, but that follows obviously because triangle APD and triangle CQB are congruent. This means that AP and CQ must be equal by CPCT. So we can directly write AP is equal to CQ by CPCT. So this proves the first two parts. Triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB, and AP is equal to CQ. Now let's go to the third part. So in part 3, we have to prove that triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD. So let me highlight these two triangles for you once again. So triangle AQB is AQB, this triangle that you see here on the left side, and triangle CPD would be CP and D, this triangle that you see here. And we have to show that these two triangles are congruent. So let's compare these two triangles now. So in triangle AQB and triangle CPD, what are the parts which are equal? So AB is equal to CD because these are opposite sides of the parallelogram ABCD. So AB is equal to CD because these are opposite sides of a parallelogram. Also BQ is equal to DP. This is already given to us. BQ is equal to DP given, and the angle at B, this angle ABQ, and the angle at D, this angle CDP, these two angles are also equal. So angle ABQ is equal to angle CDP because these are alternate interior angles on the parallels AB and CD and the diagonal or the transversal BD. So from this set of equalities, we can once again conclude similar to the first part, that triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD by the SAS congruence criterion. This also means that the third side pair, which is AQ and CP, these are also equal. So this is what we had to prove in part 4. So AQ is equal to CP by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this proves part 3 and 4. Finally, for part 5, in which we have to show that APCQ is a parallelogram, all we need to do is observe that in part 2 we proved that AP is equal to CQ. So AP is equal to CQ. We proved that in part 2, and in part 4, the previous part, we proved that AQ is equal to CP. So AQ is equal to CP. So AQCP or APCQ is a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are equal, and this means that we can conclude that APCQ is a parallelogram because both pairs of opposite sides are equal, and that proves part 5 as well. So this completes question number 9.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.